The next sight word is me. M-E.
Me in Igbo language means mwa. Mwa.
The next sight word is him.
Him. Him in Igbo language means
I forgot.
Hello there.
Ndewo ezigbo.
Welcome to Igbo Life TV. Today's lesson is about
Sight words.
sight words.
In the Igbo language.
Good. Sight words in Igbo language. So he has his sight words that he wants to learn how to say it in Igbo. So he's going to tell me his sight words in English, and I will tell him how to say it in Igbo language. All right? So you have to practice with us because practice makes
Perfect.
Practice makes perfect. Okay? So let's begin. Kaipido.
The first sight word is it.
It in Igbo language means rie. R-I-E. Rie. Rie.
The next sight word is and.
And in Igbo language is na. N-A. Na. N-A. Na.
The next sight word is go.
Go in Igbo language means gawa or
Jebe.
yes. Gawa or jebe. Gawa or jebe.
The next sight word is me.
Me means muwa. Me in Igbo language means muwa. Muwa. That means me. Muwa.
The next sight word is the one that I just said is.
Is means bo. B-U. B-U. Bo.
The next sight word is the like.
Like in Igbo language means dika. Dika. D-I-K-A. Dika.
The next sight word is up.
Up means elu. Up means elu.
The next sight word is look.
Look means le anya. Like you looking at me and I'm looking at you. It means le anya. Le anya.
Sight word is you.
Gi. Gi.
The next sight word is your.
Your in Igbo language means nkegi. Nkegi. Remember, gi means you. And then your means nkegi. Nkegi.
The next sight word is
If.
jump.
Jump. Jump in Igbo language means war. Jump. War, like you jumping up. Yes, it means war. W-U-O.
The next sight word is we.
We means Anye. Anye.
The next sight word is fun.
Fun in Igbo language means angore. Angore. If in Igbo language means oburu. Oburu. O-B-U-R-U. Oburu.
The next sight word is play.
Play in Igbo language means go egu. Go egu. And the last one is went. Good. Went in Igbo language means gara. It's a past tense. Went. Gara. G-A-R-A. Gara. That means.
And it also kind of starts with a gawa, but it starts with a gawa.
Exactly. Gawa means go. Like go.
Yeah,
right?
Like get out of here.
Yes. Gawa means go. It's present tense. And then went, past tense. That's gara. Gara. That means you went there. It's already, it's past tense. Gara. G-A-R-A. Great. You made it to the end of this video. You know what time is it? Please click the like button, subscribe to all. And remember, live, learn, love, and laugh. Thank you. Hello.
Make sure to like and subscribe, like my teacher said. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.